with your energy. I don't wanna be there, don't wanna be anywhere, any place that I can feel you. I just wanna be near you. And yes, I'm a mess, but I'm blessed to be stuck with you. Oh. Sometimes it gets unhealthy. We can't be by ourselves. We will always need each other. Yes, I'm a mess, but I'm blessed to be stuck with you. I just want you to know that if I could, I swear I'd go back, make everything a better way.
Alright, I'm gonna move all that stuff in the trunk. Yeah.
See, you've been changing, baby, in good ways and bad ways. Can't say what I say, it's far too late. And I think you made me, baby, made me too nervous. Crying and this hurt, and I gotta tell you why. Since you've been like this.
Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. I will just be kind of doing like a deep clean of my apartment. So it's gonna kind of be like a clean with me day in my life type of video. Probably closer to the end of this video, we'll just like sit down, kind of catch up and chat. It is the new year. It is obviously the new year. It's January 7th. So wow, we're already a week into 2022, which is crazy. So yeah, at the end, I'm just gonna, you know, sit down, chat with you guys, maybe like drink some tea, make another coffee or something. So yeah, let's just get into it. I am feeling pretty productive today. You know, I'm just, oh my gosh, this always happens. It's pretty bright out here now. So yeah, my kitchen is horrible. I like don't even want to show you guys that. It's really embarrassing. My dishes are overflowing, so I'm gonna show you guys like me doing the dishes. Christmas is over. The tree's gotta go. I don't know if that's gonna come down today because I would need Blake's help to like help me take that down. I'm not really sure if we're gonna get to that today. Right now he's out snowboarding, so he's not even here to help me do that, so I'm not really sure. I'm going to try to tackle the lamp though by myself. I think I can like unwind some lights. I just need to take down the Christmas stuff. I took down like the fall decor and stuff. Like you guys saw, I had like the cute little like arrangement over here for a while, but I took that down the other day, the day I actually was cleaning out my car. So now that that's done, because that just didn't make any sense anymore. You guys are seeing like two different holidays like in my house at once, but honestly that was just like me just like literally not caring, me just being like, oh my gosh, like let me just throw up some Christmas stuff, because honestly the end of December like mentally just like wasn't the best time for me. So I just wanted to get some Christmas stuff up. But yeah, so I just didn't even care to like take anything else down, like take the fall stuff down. Hey guys, so I'm currently editing this vlog, and I did just want to make a quick disclaimer. I chose to clean the entire apartment by myself, and yeah, just like get content for this vlog. Blake always helps me. He is always like, you know, we always work on cleaning together, but I honestly just prefer filming like by myself and just like, I don't know, doing stuff like this, like filming and cleaning by myself. But yeah, I don't want you guys to think like he was just like out having a blast and I'm like cleaning our entire space. We spoke about it. I chose to do this by myself. So yeah, I just wanted to like make a disclaimer about that. So yeah, all is good. have to get rid of this these pillows. I have one here, and then I have some in the corner that are just like pumpkin fall themed, so I need to find somewhere to put those. And then I moved this. I took out all of the, it was like a reddish, Alexa, pause. So it was like a reddish plant, I don't like dried plant that I had in here, so I took that out. Don't know what I'm gonna do with this though. I know it looks really sad right now. The pampas grass is old, so I need new pampas grass because like they just are not looking good at all. And then this whole like vase thing, I'm definitely gonna keep. I'm just gonna find somewhere to put that. The thing is, in our apartment, we don't have a lot of storage, so I kind of have trouble like finding where to put everything. So I don't really know where those pillows are gonna go. I'm not really sure about this. But to replace this, we got a new snake plant. And I don't know if you guys, I'm pretty sure you guys remember because it's like in all of my vlogs. This thing was over here by the mirror, so now we have a new snake plant. She's looking really healthy. She's kind of tall. We had one before, but it was like a little bit shorter, so this one's healthier. Fresh soil. By the way, this is my outfit of the day, just very chill. I got some makeup on my pants, so if you guys see that, I'm sorry about that, but I really just like don't feel like changing. The only thing about these pants, it just gets so weird, like right here. It looks so awkward. I wish they were just kind of like this. I'm just gonna continue cleaning. So far, so good. Kitchen's looking really clean. And then I just started on the living room. Look how much dog fur is in the vacuum. Disgusting. But the carpet is looking pretty good. Still have to like wipe off the table. There's like, I don't know if you guys could tell, but something like spilled here. I don't want to ruin it because this is the only tree that we have, and I want to keep like using it but making it better every year. I have to wait for Blake, but honestly I'm just kind of like in the mood to just like, you know, get stuff done. But like I don't even, it's so easy, you just connect the pieces, so I don't know why it's so hard to take apart. Oh. There we go. Where's that? It's in 3 parts. There we go. Okay. We got the 3 parts disconnected. Hey guys, ooh, my thing's falling. Whoopsies. Hi. Hey guys, so we're live from my floor again. And I have some tea. This is Lady Grey. It's decaffeinated, really, really good. Me and my mom really like this one. I think she got me onto this because when I was living with her, she purchased this tea and I fell in love with it. It's really, really good. It kind of has like a citrus. It's kind of like a black tea with a little bit of citrus behind it. So really recommend. Can you guys see the steam? Maybe not. No steam. Okay. So yeah, guys, what's up? How you doing? I'm doing pretty well. You guys saw me cleaning out my apartment, getting everything in order. This tea is so hot. Yeah, just getting everything in order for you know, just like a fresh start, kind of like spring cleaning but for the new year. So today's January 7th and Christmas tree went down. Everything is pretty much in order. As far as cleaning, I'm feeling pretty good. Ooh, that's so hot. Update. So in my previous videos, I've briefly mentioned how I've started doing like journaling and doing some like self-improvement journal prompts. Yeah, that's been really helpful. I've just honestly been liking doing that recently, so I've been trying to keep on top of that. I did one last night for just like reflection on 2021. So honestly, I've just been typing in like self-improvement journal prompts or journal prompts for like fill in the blank, like whatever you're going through anxiety, some, you know, self-identity stuff. If you just literally type in that keyword and then journal prompts, you'll find like some good journal prompts. So I've been really liking doing that. It's really like mentally cleansing, and I feel like I've definitely needed that. I'm still on the hunt trying to find a better fitting job for me, but I do want to recommend a channel for you guys. Her name is CiCi Dawn. So if you're looking to work from home, her entire channel is about work from home jobs. So like every single day, sometimes multiple times a day, she will like post job leads on her channel for, it's all work from home. So I'm gonna have her channel linked down below. She works really hard on her content, so you guys can, if you're like looking for a work from home job, especially due to COVID, like I'm just really not trying to, since COVID cases are getting worse, I'm just really trying to have a work from home job again, because it just seems like things are just getting crazy again. I'm gonna link her channel down below. Show her some love. You might be able to find a work from home job from her channel. I'm telling you guys, she just posts so many work from home positions that you can like readily apply for like every day. That's pretty much like, you know, what's going on with me. Definitely feeling, now that it's the new year, feeling a little, you know, feeling in a better headspace than I was like at the end of 2021, because I was just like a wreck, honestly. But like I said, with some journaling, some meditation, prayer, definitely. I've downloaded some prayer apps on my phone, and I've been trying to keep up with like morning, midday, and evening prayer. Haven't been too consistent with it, but now that I'm talking about it, I'm going to do that tonight. I got a notification on my phone that the midday prayer is available, and I will link the app down below too if I remember. Myla, why now? Why? It's not a good time to chase your tail. It's not. Thank you. So yeah, that is everything I have for you guys in this video. Really hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration, some cleaning inspo, or cleaning motivation, I should say. Just, you know, a great way to just bring in the new year with some just like a fresh surrounding. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy. I post new videos on this channel every week, so subscribe if you like lifestyle videos, day in the life videos, morning and night routines, and everything like that. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Okay, I have to take Myla outside.